Hello, our names are Ariana Sosa
Charlotte Bernard.
and Lonnie Parks. Our experiment revolved around how color affects memory. According to the Malaysian Journal of Medical Sciences, color has already been found to influence memory and help with memorization.
However, we wanted to test which color had the greatest effect on short-term memorization. In school, students constantly take notes and tests that force them to rely on what they can remember. Our experiment could ultimately help teachers make effective presentations with the most memorable colors, which could therefore help students retain information.
We hypothesized that red would activate a person's memory the most since it has attention-grabbing qualities. The only materials needed for our experiment were a computer with different slideshows of shapes, sheets of paper, a pencil, and a stopwatch.
We tested this by splitting participants into 4 groups, showing them one-on-one black shapes for 4 seconds each and having them recall as many shapes as they could in the correct order.
We repeated this process with the images in the same order, but in different colors based on the participants' respective groups. The different colors tested were red, blue, green, and yellow.
The control group, or the black shapes, had an average of 5 out of 15 shapes remembered. Blue was the most remembered color with an average of 6.17 out of 15 shapes remembered. Red had an average of 6, green had an average of 5.58, and yellow had an average of 5.08.
In conclusion, we proved our hypothesis to be incorrect since blue was the most memorable color instead of red. Therefore, teachers could possibly use this information to make learning more efficient by implementing the color blue into their teaching tools.
Here are all of our references, and thank you for listening.